What's up everyone? My name is Tarek and my YouTube name is Viet Paki. Where am I? I don't know where I am. Where the hell going? Who is it? I don't know who it is. Hint, hint. Not sure where we are, but we're heading towards the LAT. About maybe 2.5 hours in from Phan Thiet. My hair is a mess, man. Oh, but it's been a fun weekend so far. Right now it's Saturday. Saturday, what time? It's only noon. We've been up since about 6:30 or 7 a.m. May 4th. Heading to the LAT. Look at this amazing landscape, everyone. About an hour away from the LAT. I have no idea what this place is called, but we are riding our Kawasaki Z1000 all the way to the place. See? Z1000 right here. The big boy. Just taking a quick break. As you can see, she had a very smart idea to put ice into a towel from where we bought the drink. And now when I'm riding and her as a passenger, she's putting the towel on the back of my neck and the front of my neck and on my arms. So it keeps me so cool. Honestly, like the best idea. She said nangwa, that means it's very sunny, very hot. Very sunny actually. Nangwa means very sunny. Namwa means very hot. Okay, bây giờ mình đi. It is May 4th, around 1:37 p.m. I am with C. There's my bag there because I just want to take a quick video of this bike. Once again, Kawasaki Z1000. Beautiful, amazing bike. Naked bike? Looks like a naked bike. It is crazy over here. Always wanted to ride in Vietnam with a super sport bike. C helped me find a legit place in Ho Chi Minh City where we can rent super sport bikes instead of just a standard scooter. Key em. Landscape.
Anh.
Yeah.
Cho mình hái một trái, anh hái gì?
Yeah.
Cho mình hái một trái.
Wow, really?
Rồi, đi xin lỗi. Chị nói là cứ hái đi.
Wow.
Rồi anh hái tự tay, anh đi hái một trái, anh quay tự tay.
Yeah.
Người ta cho hái, xin lỗi.
Yeah.
Anh tới đúng không?
Đấy, được không? Đấy.
Được, hái đi.
Oh, I'm gonna take it down. Okay. Ay, ay, ay.
Cái gì vậy? Đưa đây xin coi. Con kiến.
Ay, ay.
Nó cắn hả? Con kiến, con kiến. Đúng trái này mình hái không anh? Cái trái này của ai vậy? Đi ra đây anh.
Wow. Ê. Wow, cân nặng quá. Cân nặng quá.
Được chưa? Hết chưa? Anh coi nó có dưa chân không?
Không có. Nhưng mà cân nặng quá. Wow.
Rồi được, đi.
Those ants are killer, man. They like bite you so hard. Holy cow. I was like actually afraid that time. That was freaky. Hai cái hay là một?
Thích một nữa cũng được.
Yeah. Em muốn lấy một.
Nữa không sao rồi tao cho.
Those freaking ants are crazy, man. What are those ants? They're like crazy ass ants. They're like really strong.
Nó đi vô nước gì đi.
Holy cow. That's really like fire ants or
Không, nó chạy lung tung mà. Nói rồi. Không. Anh, đi lên hướng dê anh. Đi lên hướng con dê.
they're afraid of me. I'm too brown for them.
Ủa, lạc trôi đâu rồi?
Lạc trôi. Xuân tông lạc
nhỏ
trôi.
quá lạc trôi không thấy. Nữa.
Xuân tông lạc trôi.
Lạc trôi.
Oh, sorry.
Anh hát đi. Thích ơi hát vô.
Xuân tông lạc trôi.
Anh đứng đó đi. Xin lạc trôi.
We were going up the hill towards the LAT, but we took a quick break because it's pouring. Took a break at this place right here on the top of a really amazing landscape right here. It is crazy over here. As you can see, the scenery is beautiful. So it's definitely worth it to take a break anyways. We just made it to the LAT. Right now, just going to move our motorcycle into our hotel that we're staying for the night to tomorrow we're heading back to Ho Chi Minh City. Altogether, it was about a 7-hour drive from Ho Chi Minh City to DeLat.
Đó, khoai nướng nè, và bánh tráng nướng. Cái này củ khoai mì nướng.
DeLat has their own night market.
Nhiều đồ ăn đi xem.
Wow. Soy. As you can see, it's a huge
Trứng này. Trứng này.
trứng.
Anh vô anh chị. Không tí nữa là đi
You can see it's a huge night market here in DeLat. Wow, chao gà. Nhiều đồ ăn nhiều quá. Cho DeLat.
Đúng rồi.
Chao DeLat. Seems like every city has their own chao. Chao is like a supermarket in supermarkets that you can find in Vietnam. This is chao DeLat, and then there's chao Ben Thong, and then there's chao Dong Nai. Every city has their own chao. CHO.
Rất là nhiều đồ lên, tại vì đây lạnh nên người ta bán đồ len nhiều anh hiểu. Về đây lạnh. Đồ nóng là bánh tráng, kem bơ. Siêu anh bây giờ mình ăn cái gì trước để ăn?
This is what bánh tráng nướng is.
Thao ơi! Thao! Một nóng một đá
It
nha!
is delicious.
Một nóng một đá.
This is gambo. It has, I think it's butter and avocado. Roti Malaysia and banana. Super delicious.
Chicken.
Roti Malaysia, and banana, and then this was roti Malaysia with chicken and some kind of sauce, looks like chipotle. That place is at this one right here. Thấy ngon quá. Bây giờ mình ăn. We're gonna eat it right now.
Màu xấu quá à.
Màu dấu.
Màu dâu đỏ ngon, màu xấu à.
I think I can stay here all day. Here in LAT, it is, what time is it? 8, almost 8:30. Nice mild weather day. Heading back to Ho Chi Minh tomorrow. We went on a 7-hour motorcycle ride from Ho Chi Minh City to LAT. It was insane. Mình hy vọng mình
nhưng mà nó bán rẻ lắm, không bao nhiêu tiền, 10.000 20 thôi. Một cái thì nó thiệt luôn mà đẹp mà. Tại vì lúc đó con Quỳnh nó mua với tụi nó mua.
Hello. Duck eggs. Duck eggs with the vegetables. This is something that is an acquired taste. Làm hay quá. Not everyone enjoys this, but this is something that I grew up eating with. A special sauce that you dip it in.